Welcome to 3D Analyzer software. Today I'm going to show you how to install Analyzer Manufacturing on your PC or laptop. Once you've downloaded your Analyzer installer, open your Downloads folder. You'll see a file named analyzersetup.exe. Double-click this file. The user account control window will appear. Click Yes to confirm. This is the start page. Click Next to begin. You'll then see the license agreement. Accept it by selecting I agree. Several components will now be installed. One of them is .NET Framework 3.5. If your computer doesn't already have this installed, as is common on many Windows 10 and Windows 11 systems, it will be downloaded from the internet. Depending on your internet speed, that may take a few minutes, up to 5. On this computer, .NET Framework 3.5 is already installed, so the installer will skip this step. Otherwise, a dialog box will appear showing the installation progress for .NET Framework 3.5. Click Next. You'll be asked to choose a destination folder. Leave it as the default. This will install the software in the C:program files folder. Click Install to begin installing all required components. Some of these components may take a little longer to install. Now it's done. Click Finish to complete the process. Analyzer Manufacturing will now launch, and it will ask for a license key. Once you've registered your software and paid for your subscription, you'll receive an email with your license code. Simply copy the code from your email, Ctrl+C, and paste it into the license key dialog box, Ctrl+V. You can also add a machine description, for example, my PC. Click Submit. It should take just a few seconds, and then you'll see a message confirming the license was successfully applied. If you ever need to check your license information, go to the About box. It will show your license key, the machine description, activation date, and other validation details. If your license has expired, you'll see the last failed validation date here, and you'll need to renew your license. That's the standard installation process. However, if you don't have administrator rights on your PC, your system admin may need to install the software for you. In that case, the configuration files may be saved under their account. To fix this, you'll need to do one more step. Go to the C drive, then open Program Files x86. Find the Analyzer 3D software folder, then open the Analyzer subfolder, followed by the configuration folder. In here, double-click postinstall.exe. This updates the registry with the correct settings for your current user. Now, when you start Analyzer 3D again, you'll be prompted to re-enter your license key. Copy it from your email, Ctrl+C, paste it, Ctrl+V, add your machine description and click Submit. Your license will now be activated. If you already have the software installed and just want to update or repair it, simply run the installer again. Approve the user account control if prompted. Click Next, agree to the license again. Since an existing installation is detected, you'll see a new dialog box. Here, you can choose which components to keep. For example, if you've created custom scripts, you can update all other parts of the software while keeping your scripts safe. Often, you'll want to retain your existing database, but it depends on your update. If reports have changed significantly, the database might need updating too. Sometimes, the simplest approach is to overwrite everything for a clean installation. Then just continue through the installation steps as before. When you launch Analyzer 3D again, you'll need to enter the license key once more. And that's all there is to it.